Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Alexa. Remember, before you start cooking, you always need to ask an adult if it's okay to use the kitchen and start cooking. Second, we always wash our hands. Today we're making nachos in the microwave. So you're gonna need some tortilla chips, cheese, preferably shredded cheese, salsa, and guacamole. You can put any of your own toppings or fixings on as you'd like as well. Our first step, we're gonna put our chips on our plate. Next, we add the cheese. Then we put them in the microwave. We're going to put on for 30 seconds. Be careful, the plate might be very hot. Your cheese should be nice and melted, and now you can add your toppings. So I'm going to add a little salsa, guacamole, and you know what I just thought of? I'm going to add some black beans. So here are our black beans. We need to use a can opener to open them up. So use a can opener. You put it on the edge of the top of the can and you squeeze. So you hear that pop. Then you're gonna twist the knob all the way around. Be careful opening a can because the inside of the can where you just cut is usually very sharp. What I do is I usually dump the contents out into a strainer over the sink. And then rinse them. You can add these right to your nachos, or you can warm them up into another bowl in the microwave. I prefer just to add them right to my nachos. And now you have a perfect snack. Always remember to ask an adult before working in the kitchen.